Everybody wanna see me throw a fireball, but that's not right, not in real life. You won't fall down and break your leg. Everybody wanna see me break an egg, well I don't.
What is up YouTube, Drasengan TV here, and today we have a simple review and a simple unboxing of the Sbode True Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. It's the Sbode M400. Okay, so this one right here is rather new. I got it from Amazon. The link will be down in the description so you can check it out. So this is the box. This is the side of the box. It's true wireless stereo, FM radio, and IPX6 rating, waterproof, obviously. So what we have in store is right here. On the box it tells you that it has connectivity, true wireless stereo, portable and water resistant, rechargeable battery obviously, hands-free calling, multiple inputs, and FM radio and card reader. So this one has a built-in card reader. In the package as well we get the speaker, we got a cable to hold it, the string, we got a micro USB cable, and we got a aux cable as well. So we're gonna unbox it, so let's get it to work. So we got a slide knife right here. It's pretty stiff. There we go. No more knife is needed. Pretty much when you open the box, what greets you is the speaker itself, the Sbode M400. So we remove the cover right here, and as you can see, the speaker is right here. It's pretty flush. It's beautiful. As you can see, cylinder version, cylinder shape, perfect. Inside the box we have another stuff here. We can remove it, and once we do, what we see is the manual with a aux cable, 3.5 audio jack, and a micro USB cable. Perfect. So set it aside, and the box aside. I like the box though. The box is neat. Yeah. So with this, you got the power button at the top. I'm not sure where you would call it top though. I think it will, whichever way you want to call it. I'm gonna call it the top for the sake of this video. Alright, so this is the power button right here. Then we have the Bluetooth pairing button along with the answering call button, I think. We got a play and pause button right here. We got the volume up and volume down. With this, I think if you press it 2 times, you can skip the track. Same for the volume down. And this is the connectivity for 2 Sbode M400. So if you have 2 of them and you connect it, basically you could do a surround sound. You have the left channel and the right channel, and yeah. And further down we have to the right we have the light indicator for the battery. Yeah, that's right there. Down below we have a nice flush in feeling right here. This is what you would lift up to get access to the ports. So we have the audio jack port right here, 3.5 audio jack. You have the micro USB cable right here, slot, we can plug it and charge it. And we have the memory card slot. There you go. So yeah, it's nice, and it gives you a lot of room, like some of them. Yeah, it feels good. It's flush in. Everything is flush in. One smooth thing. Feels nice, sleek. I like the design. Design is perfect. I like the silver thing right here. Probably it's a bass rocker or whatever you call it. Not sure, but yeah. So according to Sbode, they're saying this has a 2200 milliamp hours. That's fine. That's legit. But it's up to 8 hours playtime. So it depends. It varies on how you use it. I'm not sure if you would run this on full volume blast if it would last full 8 hours, but it's what they say. Take that with a grain of salt. So yeah, perfect. So in comparison to the Flip 4, it's a little taller than the Flip 4. Don't mind the condition of this Flip 4, it's a bit dirty, but yeah, it's a little bit taller than the Flip 4. As you can see, size difference right there. Pretty neat, just the same. Almost similar design, just that this is the full cylinder version. This is somewhat half cylinder, half spear, whatever color, whatever you want to call it, not color. Half spear, whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure. Oval shape, whatever. But yeah, cylinder, some random shape. Yeah, so that's the comparison. This Flip 4 feels heavy. This feels somewhat light, not all that heavy. So yeah. Okay, so in regard into the audio quality, what I can say, it's not all that heavy like the Flip 4. I'm gonna use the Flip 4 for comparison. The Flip 4 is a bit heavier with the bass, but yeah. So what I can see, what I can assume from what I use, from my experience, it's okay. It's not gonna blow you away like the Flip 4, but it's okay. For the price point, it is okay. I think I paid $39 for this on Amazon. The link will be down in the description for this particular one. This is the black one, M400. Yeah. So yeah, the bass is there. It's not that heavy. The Flip 4 has more bass, but the highs on this and the mid seems better. Seems, I'm not 100% sure. It sounds clearer on this, but the Flip 4 is more bass, has more bass. So yeah, pretty much that's about it. So I like it. It's light. Light that it comes with the string here, just like the Flip 4. It's okay. For the price point, it is okay. Yeah. It's also the best selling on Amazon, so yeah, it is okay. So yeah, you can grab one. So yeah, pretty much that's it. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Just remember to leave a like and comment down below. Also subscribe and hit that bell icon down below. Our subscriber goal is 500 subscribers, and once we hit that mark, I'm gonna give away an Amazon gift card. I'm not gonna disclose the information about how many cash will be on the gift card, but something will happen. Just let us race to that 500 subscribers. So yes guys, thank you. Drasengan TV